Today is Monday. Pictures by Eric Carle. Today is Monday. Monday, string beans. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Wednesday, zoo. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef yum. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Sunday, ice cream. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, soup. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it up. The children are enjoying food together. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, kids.